Hello again, it's me Jeanette, and today I have the interactive cat toy, motorized peekaboo play. So I got this from Amazon. It came all like crunched up, but let's see what it does. You guys ready? Hopefully it's charged. So let's see. Step 1, set the interactive cat toy on the floor with room for Kitty to play. Press the button and track Kitty instantly. Watch Kitty hunt and play for hours. Okay. So I don't know if this is one that needs batteries replaced or if it's rechargeable. Most of the toys are rechargeable nowadays, so but there's like an extra feather thing. And then, let's see. They usually rip, on these things, they usually rip the feather off pretty fast. So let's see. Instructions. Okay, remove the battery cover from the device of units. Insert 4 C batteries. Oh my gosh, I don't even know if I have C batteries. Well, I'll have to look. I'll be back. Okay, so this thing is rechargeable. It came with this, and I found out there's a button on the sides. So let's turn on the buttons. Okay, you can turn on the sound too so you can hear it. Let's see. I think they're kind of scared of it. It's so fast. Well, it seems they like it. Just, oops, almost fell over the cat litter box scoop. It's so fast, oh my gosh. Well, it seems like they like it. It's just fast. Oh my gosh. Well, that should keep them busy for a while. Man. Okay, so if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you have not already, please subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.
It's fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.